Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, and our customer has sent us a pair of his wife's boots, these Ugg boots here, and it really is a nice boot, well made, nice, lovely. I put my hand inside here and I want to crawl in there. It's beautiful and soft, all the sheepskin in there. But as what happens with a lot of these Ugg boots is the back collapses. You see how that's gone down there, look. Now apparently my customer was saying that his wife lent these to his sister, and when they came back they were like this. Ooh. Now they probably started going like this very early on in the life, and we can't just blame the sister-in-law, I'm afraid. This is just something that we see quite regularly with these boots. What can you do? Well, what's happened is the counter around the back has just collapsed, and as I put my hand inside, I don't know if we can see in there, can you see all the damage at the back here at the bottom? Yeah, you can see all that damage in there, and it's really quite rough and just must be very, very uncomfortable and impossible to wear. So what we've done, we've taken some of our midsole leather, like this lovely leather, and we've cut out two pieces like this. We've machined all the edges down so they're nice and thin, and then what we're going to do is bond that around the back, obviously inside the boot, and then stitch a little bit on the stitching here, and hopefully that will pull that back rigid. It will give all this here the new strength that it needs to stop them from dropping down. So we'll do that, and then I'll just show you a few pictures of what we've done. This is not the perfect answer, because occasionally, just occasionally, customers will say that the edges of this are a little bit harsh and it's not as soft, and it's not got the sheepskin in like the boot originally has, but it's a damn sight better than what we've got at the moment. And inside the boot, where it's all broken up, this will cover that up. I can't tell you how sharp all the plastic and everything is that's in the back of here. Absolutely no way are these boots going to be worn unless you've got 4 pairs of socks on. Okay, that's the boots done. I've stitched that piece of leather. I don't know, can you see down in there? Can you see that? That's got the piece of leather stiffener around the back. Did you get in there to see that? Did it show up? Yeah, lovely. And it feels lovely and smooth, and it looks like the back isn't, well, it can't squidge down now. It's not pulled it perfectly back into shape, but that can't squidge down. Look at that one there. Look, just absolutely solid around that back. But better inside, smoother inside for where your heel's going to go. Now that repair, it's time consuming repair. It's 40 or 50 pounds to do that to a pair of Ugg boots. Is it worth it? Why is it so expensive? It's because the time it takes to do it. It just isn't always worth, and then on top of that price you've got the postage of sending it in and sending it back, but it's something that you should be able to get your local repairer to do for you.